Okay, welcome. Today's going to be an easy video. What we're going to be doing is just installing Ruby onto a Windows computer. So first thing you do is just go to your browser, really. I think the website is RubyLang or something, but just type in Ruby. It should be the first, yeah, RubyLang right there. Uh, should be the first thing that comes up. You're looking for the little gem. Any programming language that you're going to be learning. Most of them, if not all of them, have a website with documentation for them. So Ruby makes it very easy now. You can click the download Ruby button, and actually they now have a Ruby installer that you can download. And it'll say over here which version to download, right? It's recommending right here 2.6 x64, and it even puts it in bold for you, right? You're going to want the one with the dev kit because you're going to be writing Ruby code. So we'll click on this and then click Save File. And that will go to our downloads. You can just click right on that. And I'll bring this over here. It will launch an installer. You can accept the license. Click Next. It will choose a default location. It'll even add it to your path. So if you don't know what that is, I can get into that in a different video, but that's very useful. Keep that checked. And then just click install. Click next on that and let it do its thing. I'll speed up the video and see you when it's done. Okay, so I would run this just in case you ever want to use a gem with C extensions. So we'll just click finish and real quick, it's opening this up, right, which is just a terminal. You know what? I'm not sure. I'm just going to click enter. And I think it's going to install 1 and 3 and skip the optional one, which is fine with me. So if you're just getting started with programming, it's probably the first time you're seeing a terminal. You're getting sucked into the matrix here. Just click enter again. So we're all done. And Ruby has been installed. And now to verify that Ruby has been installed, you're going to right click on your Windows icon. If you're on Windows 10, just click the admin PowerShell. This makes it easy to get into admin mode. And then you'll just type CMD. You don't really have to, but that'll open up command prompt. And then just type Ruby-V. And it'll say Ruby 2.66, which is indeed the exact one that you installed. I'll see you in the next video. We'll start writing some code.